What if I told you that most of the time you spend cleaning every week is completely unnecessary? That hours of scrubbing, wiping, and stressing could be avoided with a few lazy but genius cleaning habits? Imagine walking into a home that looks clean without you feeling tired, overwhelmed, or annoyed. No marathon cleaning days, no wasted weekends, just simple systems that quietly work for you in the background. Sounds too good to be true? Stay with me, because once you learn these hacks, you'll wonder why you ever cleaned the hard way. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss smart, time-saving home hacks like these. Why traditional cleaning steals so much of your time? Most people don't realize this, but cleaning becomes exhausting not because it's difficult, but because it's delayed. When small messes pile up, they turn into big jobs. The real secret behind lazy cleaning is prevention, timing, and using your environment to do half the work for you. Professionals don't clean more, they clean less, but smarter. Once you understand this mindset, cleaning stops feeling like a punishment and starts feeling effortless. The power of micro-cleaning moments. One of the laziest yet most powerful cleaning hacks is micro-cleaning. This means cleaning in tiny moments instead of long sessions. Waiting for tea to boil, wipe the counter, brushing your teeth, quickly rinse the sink, heating food in the microwave, clear one surface. These actions take seconds, but over a week, they save hours. The magic is simple. Mess never gets a chance to grow. Your home stays clean almost automatically. Leave one room better rule that changes everything. Here's a rule lazy cleaners swear by. Never leave a room exactly how you found it. This tiny habit creates a snowball effect. Your house gradually stays organized without a dedicated cleaning schedule. You don't feel tired because you never do too much at once, yet everything stays under control. Cleaning tools, where you need them most. Walking to another room to grab cleaning supplies is one of the biggest reasons people delay cleaning. The lazy solution: store supplies where messes happen. When tools are within arm's reach, cleaning becomes effortless and instant. No effort means no procrastination. Let products do the work for you. Lazy cleaning isn't about skipping cleaning. It's about letting products work while you rest. Time is your assistant here. The longer products sit, the less effort you use. This single mindset shift alone can save hours every week. The laundry hack that cuts time in half. Laundry feels endless because it's treated like a massive task. Lazy cleaners simplify it. Instead of waiting for huge piles, wash smaller loads more frequently. Clothes dry faster, wrinkle less, and take less time to fold. Even better, fold straight from the dryer or hang immediately. No piles. No ironing marathons. Just smooth, simple routines that quietly save time. Night reset. The 10-minute magic trick. One of the most underrated lazy cleaning habits is the night reset. Before bed, spend just 10 minutes putting things back where they belong. No deep cleaning, no scrubbing, just resetting surfaces. When you wake up to a clean space, your brain feels calm and your day starts lighter. This one habit alone prevents weekend deep cleaning disasters. Floors that stay clean without daily sweeping. Floors get dirty fast, unless you stop dirt before it spreads. Use entry mats, shoe rules, and quick shakeouts. A quick shake of rugs every few days prevents dust buildup. Dry mop instead of wet mopping frequently. Less water means less drying time and fewer streaks. Your floors stay cleaner longer with far less effort. Bathroom cleaning without scrubbing. The bathroom doesn't need heavy cleaning if you maintain it lazily. Instead of deep scrubbing weekly, you end up doing light maintenance that feels effortless. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If these lazy cleaning hacks helped you rethink how you manage your home, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more smart, time-saving home ideas. Share this with someone who's always tired of cleaning, because life is too short to clean the hard way.